In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Trello board. Before we start, a quick note on what deletion means in Trello. Deleting a board is permanent and cannot be undone, so be sure you're working on the right board and that no one on your team still needs it. In Trello, deletion only happens after a board has been closed and the option lives in the closed boards area. This walkthrough assumes the board you want to remove already appears there. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you belong to more than one. The workspace you're currently viewing determines which boards you'll see. Also, ensure you have the right permissions. Only board admins can delete a board. If you don't see a delete option later, you may need an admin to adjust your access. Once you're signed in, go to your boards. From the Trello home screen, open the boards view for your current workspace. You should see a grid or list of board tiles, including starred and recently viewed boards. If you manage a lot of boards, this page can be long, so take a moment to confirm you're still in the intended workspace. Now scroll to the very bottom of the boards page. Keep going past all the visible board tiles until you reach the section that includes a link to closed boards. This is where Trello keeps boards that have been closed but not yet permanently removed. Click the link that says View All Closed Boards. You'll be taken to a page that lists every board that's been closed under this workspace. Think of this like a safety net. The board is no longer active, but it's still recoverable until you choose to delete it. If the board you want doesn't appear here, it likely hasn't been closed yet, or you're viewing the wrong workspace. Find the closed board you want to remove and click Delete. Trello will prompt you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the board. Read that confirmation carefully, then proceed if you're sure. Once confirmed, the board and its lists, cards, and comments are gone for good. If you don't see a delete button, you might not be a board admin. Ask an admin to help or to grant you admin rights. That's it. You've deleted a Trello board safely and cleanly. When in doubt, leave a board closed for a bit before deleting, just to be certain no one still needs it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to clean up your Trello workspace.